Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage. Now today we're going to install a cold air induction system in a 2013 Chevy Avalanche. Now before we get started, I want to share something with you. I get tons of emails and texts of people building engines, and I helped Curtis Kramer from Rantoul, Illinois build this 440 for his truck. It's really awesome. He's with Hall Brothers Racing. Check this out. Great job, Curtis. I love it. Now, the system we're going to be installing is made by Cold Air Inductions. It comes complete with a ceramic coated inlet pipe, high performance air filter, new air box, 90-degree fitting, and it really requires only a minimum amount of tools. Now the reason this works is because the air normally comes in here through the air cleaner, and the air cleaner is very restrictive on the OEM type. The air has to come through here, travel through this plenum, and go through this different cavities here before it ends up going into the throttle body. The tube that this replaced, this going in here now, has a ceramic coated tube that goes from the air cleaner, which breathes better. It goes through that ceramic coated tube, and the airflow is now laminar, so the air is flowing smoother and quicker, and instead of having to go through all these chambers which provide back pressure and really restrict the airflow, now you get quicker throttle response. Alright, so you're not bolting on a supercharger or a 40 shot of nitrous, and you're not going to rip the rear wheels off. But for a 30-minute install for a nice bolt-on package, you're going to get about maybe 15 or 20 horsepower to the rear wheels. Not only that, it sounds better, it does pull harder, and it does have a lot more throttle response. It's really pretty cool. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.